welcome to our little show today. Hey, do you need a case for your iPad? So we have it right here.
That's right. We have the new cases. They are from Unicorn Beetle Pro. It's for your 10.2 iPad 2019-2020. And we're going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, let's take a look at these cool cases from SUPCASE. They are the Unicorn Beetle Pro. It fits the iPad 10.2 2020-2019. It has a built-in screen protector for your iPad. Take a look at that. This is so cool. You want to trade right away, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I love the color of these.
Plastic.
Oh, wow. SUPCASE is one of the best protective cases for your phones, your iPads. You got to check them out. It is a really cool company. Oh, love it. Take a look at this kickstand on the back.
Yeah.
That is so cool. These are really easy to install. All you have to do is take the case, the outer case right here, pop it out.
It's kind of tricky.
Yeah? He said it's kind of tricky. All right. And I like that it already comes with a built-in screen protector right here.
It's a plastic one, so make sure you get a harder one for it, right?
So you can take... So make sure you take the plastic protective seal off of that, and look at that. This is beautiful. So once you put your iPad in here, you fit it right there, then fit it right back into this case. Snaps right in place. I love these two colors by SUPCASE. The Unicorn Beetle Pro series is a very good protective case for your iPad. I even have it on all of my phones. I highly recommend it. I've been using that for years and years and just love the company. The company has great customer support if you ever need to reach out to them. And the most important thing, it protects your phone, it protects your iPad. Look at this. And I love the kickstand. Look at that. Set that on your desk just like that. You can do your Zoom meetings. You can watch a movie.
You can even flip it upside down so it's more flatter.
That's right. You can put it the other way. This is super cool and easy to collapse.
Easy
just like that. Looks stylish. Built tough. What more do you want? Hey, I'm going to have a link down below where you can find these cool cases for your iPad on Amazon, and check out my other videos. I'm going to have a whole lineup of the SUPCASE series. I think you'll be happy with it. Make sure you take a look at our videos and subscribe, hit the like button, and send us free candy. Hey, hope you have a fun day. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Bye-bye.